Ever been on a trip abroad and wondered if you could use your usual payment methods? Well, today we're tackling a burning question. Is Grabpay used in the USA? Now, you might be thinking, Grabpay? Isn't that for Southeast Asia? And you'd be mostly right. Grab is a dominant ride-hailing and food delivery giant in regions like Southeast Asia, but its reach extends beyond just transportation. Grabpay, their digital wallet, offers a range of services, from mobile payments to financial services. But can you wave your Grabpay wallet in a New York City diner? Let's dive in. The short answer is no. Grabpay is primarily designed for use within Southeast Asia. While Grab is expanding its services, its main focus and acceptance remained concentrated in countries like Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, and the Philippines. Think of it this way: Grabpay is like a local hero in Southeast Asia, deeply integrated into the daily lives of millions. But its influence in the US is minimal. Now, you might be wondering, why is it so limited in the US? A few factors contribute to this. Competition. The U.S. market is already saturated with established payment giants like Visa, MasterCard, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. These players have a strong foothold and extensive infrastructure, making it challenging for a newcomer like Grabpay to gain significant traction. Focus on core markets. Grab's primary focus remains on solidifying its position in Southeast Asia. Expanding aggressively into a mature market like the U.S. would require significant investment and resources, potentially diverting attention from their core growth areas. Regulatory hurdles. Entering the U.S. financial market involves navigating complex regulations and obtaining necessary licenses. This can be a time-consuming and costly process. So, if you're planning a trip to the U.S., relying solely on Grabpay isn't recommended. It's always wise to have alternative payment methods readily available, such as credit cards, debit cards, or mobile wallets popular in the U.S. However, it's worth noting that the world of digital payments is constantly evolving. Grab may explore strategic partnerships or acquisitions in the future to expand its global reach. Who knows, maybe one day you'll be able to use Grabpay seamlessly in the U.S. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.